Alrighty, so we're going to get into the waltz. I wanted to tell you the music source. The music source is by Issam Houshan, one of the world's greatest tabla players. Seriously, he's amazing. It's from the CD Poco Loco. It's got tons of rhythms and lots of great drum solos there. So check it out. The waltz. Doom tech tech, doom tech tech, doom tech tech, doom tech tech. So for me, when I started working with this rhythm, I always wanted to think about catching the one, because the three, we're usually working on 4/4, 2/4, 8/4. So that's something that we're usually more accustomed to. So that might feel a little awkward in the beginning. So always look for the one count. All right, let's get to it. We're gonna come up, the first section I want it to be a little bit lifted. We're gonna come up onto the balls of our feet and we're gonna go right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. So I'm just doing a step, 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 rock, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. You can do a little level change, play with that. The arms are going forward right, forward left, up and over, up and over. Find that resistance. Don't just flail your arms around. Find that resistance and push. So those are your first part. Let's put that together. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now we're gonna step right. We're gonna kick left, rock back left, bring your weight to the left, quick turn to the right, add a little plie, and then shoulder roll from here. Now we're gonna step left, kick right, rock back right, step on the right, quick turn to the left, plie, shoulder roll. Let's try that second section again. Step, kick, rock back, change, turn, plie, shoulder roll. Step left, kick right, rock back, go right, turn left, plie, shoulder roll. Now let's do a little belly dancing. Step back, right, drop, drop. Left, drop, drop. Right, twist, left, twist. So we're gonna do that Egyptian twist, or you might call it a jewel. Let's do that again from here. Right foot is ready. Right, drop, drop, left, drop, drop. Right, twist, left, twist. That's it, let's put it together. Then we're gonna come back to our lifted energy, up, and up, and up, and up. Step, rock back, shift, turn, plie, shoulder roll. Step, kick, rock back, shift, turn, plie, shoulder roll. Lift, drop, drop, lift, drop, drop. Step right, twist, left, twist, up, and add the energy in the hands. Here we go. Step, kick, rock back, change, turn, plie, shoulder roll. Step, kick, rock back, shift, turn, plie, shoulder roll. Step, drop, drop, step, drop, drop, down, twist, and one. All right, let's put that together with the waltz rhythm. you enjoyed our 3/4 waltz tutorial. And keeping with the theme of threes, I have 3 requests from you. My first request is please share with me 3 things that you struggle with when creating choreography. My second request is to join my social media platforms. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on Jillina Carlano Instagram, and please like my Jillina Facebook page. This is the first time I've ever requested such a thing, but apparently these things are important. My third request is to please share this link for these free tutorials to 3 dancers who you think would enjoy it and get great value from this. Thank you so much for all your efforts to stay connected. I look forward to seeing you soon, either in the Zoom room or on my social media platforms.